We will start with making this flower. So we will be making the white petals. This is 12 inches long, and I will also be using seed beads 3 mm in size. This is the bead spinner which I will be using to string the beads. So let's start. I will be stringing 10 seed beads. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you put the right hand wire inside the last 2 beads and pull. So now the first petal looks like this. Let's string another 10 seed beads. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. So again, let's insert your right hand wire to the last 2 beads and pull. Okay. So there are 2 now. We will just make sure that there is no gap in between the petal. Let's make the third one. Let us again string 10 beads. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Insert your right hand wire to the last 2 beads and pull. So you now have 3 seed beads, 3 petals. I have already made 7 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will just join the ends We'll join the ends and twist the two wires together. And now we have the flower. Okay, next we are going to do the center, this one. So I have a string here. It's around 18 to 20 centimeters. We are going to use a 4 mm bead, a bigger bead, for the center. Okay, then let's string 4 3 mm beads. One, two, three, 4. So, okay, then let's put the wire here in the middle, insert it in the middle, and it will look like this. Then let's flatten it out. Okay, so flatten it. Then string again another 4. String again another 4 3 mm beads. Okay, then insert it here in the lower part of the bigger bead. Okay, then we're going to pull. It's going to look like this at first, but you have to flatten it out. And pull harder. Okay, so now we have this for the center. You're going to bring to the back the two strings. Okay, you now have this. Then at the back you have to twist the two wires together. Okay, let's now put this at the center. Let's now put this at the center of the flower. Okay. Then twist the wires at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you have the flower.